In what can be seen as yet another example of unity and sacrifice in the hour of need, here is a story that will inspire you. Battling multiple levels of challenges that presented themselves in the forms of remoteness, bad roads, and lack of finances. The Blessed Virgin Mary, the Immaculate Conception Chapel, was built at Dommyntong by Catholic believers from 3 different villages falling under the Rangblang parish in Nongston. The project was initiated by Reverend Father J. Carbani, and in the month of March 2021, the construction work started and was completed in the month of January 2022. The chapel was blessed on the 23rd January 2022 by the Vice Provincial of the Salesian of Don Bosco, Shillong Province, Reverend Father John Zosiama, in the presence of Reverend Father James Tirnyang, Ignama, Shillong Province, and Reverend Father Rongren. The Shillong Province has till date installed 98 multipurpose halls between 2012 and 2022 through the unstinting and generous contributions of intellectuals and believers from within the state and country and abroad.
Patrang nadu do nu ken mau para tin trong úp lệ chính sĩ sang in nhai bu kikni kipa ko kipara samla Bible haying idan dan kiba pule dan pampule pasong angi kamon ulay ula ay ikatin jonggu panpen dan kamyaka kadungin om keduka bam kadi pen bantin jing shisha Kantin ulay hantong nila puli mehem nyaka Teng-teng nilek-lek o teng-teng nilendat Pan pulek tin ka jing shisha Manu ba pule yaka man kasni Patrang nadu donu Ken mau paraya katin jong ublay Jing shisha ngin nhai gu Ken mau paraya katin jong ublay Jing shisha ngin nhai gu Bless